Here we are again. I have to fix something today, and this is a headphone. You may say, you know, I'm an old-timer. Yes, I am. But you see, this little guy, it's my favorite when it's a matter of doing work around the house, you know, lawnmower, you know, cut the grass, trees, whatever. Many people are considering, you know, Bluetooth headphones. I got few of that. But for me, this is much better because I'm just using one ear and I can hear what's happening around. People are passing the street, you know, hey, how are you, what are the blah, blah, blah. You know, all this provincial little talk and stuff like that. So with Bluetooth headphones, it's happening to me so many times that people are just salute me or something, and I didn't notice that. And it's a kind of problem if you have a happy or a friendly neighbor, you know, and yeah, you didn't answer my call or something. So this is perfect, but unfortunately, this is not working anymore. By the way, it's coming from an old hands-free system from, I don't know, maybe it's Nokia or I can't even remember. It was a microphone attached to. The point is that I lost the connectivity. The cable got ruined or something, so it's very clear. No sound, nada, nothing. Okay, so what can we do? Let's dismantle it. Let me take this out. Oh, I never opened this, you know. Okay, so there we have the headphone. Oh, that's not so hard to take it out. Pum pum. We can even clean it. So let's measure with one resistance meter, ohm meter. What is there saying? Well, I'm afraid it's gone. Yes. Let me check here. Okay, so here I have my microscope installed. And let's check what's happening here. Is it a problem with the wiring? Yeah, I can see a small something there, but I don't think that's the problem. Maybe I should take out that black. What is this? It feels like rubber, but doesn't have any. It's like grease. Oh yeah, I can see one of the wires there. Oh yeah. Now it's very, very, very clear what was happening here. And this mesh should go away for now. What's wrong here? What is this? Okay, so it's looking like both wires are disconnected. That's a mess. Okay, so these are those two wires that should be back in place. Okay, this is good. Let's go a little higher. I have to flip the image. Now I realize. Apply, okay. I don't need rotation. Let's see. There we go. So now I'm going up. Oh, that's it. Yeah. The image was flipped, so that's why it was kind of strange. You see those little wires there? better like this to have some white behind. Let's see. Oh no, but still enough. Okay, it's thinned. I need a piece of wire. Well, at least I was trying, so I believe that's the end of the experiment. As you can see right here, you know, the wires just got broke, so that's it for today. I'm really sorry, you know, it's not a big mess. I can find another or something, but anyway, it was a kind of experiment to see about the limits of working with the microscope, and yeah, it's kind of hard, you know, you got to have a kind of routine about micro solder and stuffs like this, micro soldering, of course. Okay, so that's it for today. You see, maybe next time I'll be better. It takes a lot of skills and a lot of time, you know, to practice micro soldering. But anyway, the wires, they've been condemned, you know, they're so thin and so fragile. So that's it. But I hope it was a little bit of entertainment to you. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button too. Thanks to my sponsors. And of course, I'll be back with some others. In the meantime, don't forget to have fun. See you. Bye bye.